So from the master suite, we have this, I think, great master bath, which has the porcelain surround at the right height, I think, to really maximize both the beautiful detailing in the tile finishes and chair rails and what we chose to do to create a great soaking tub with more than adequate space for the lounging and relaxing mode. Again, all of our home is a smart technology, so each room is controlled by that wonderful, beautiful white glass keypad from Lutron. Also by, the app, so one can choose day, evening, bath, and the water closet light, which is behind us. I think that having the 3 Roburn ganged cabinets really, and this beautiful, it's probably 7 feet, vanity, makes a huge difference, but one of the keys is having a no glass shower entrance that is tiled so that we don't have steam issues at the top. We've incorporated really what is like a chair rail around it to create the casings and a towel bar, recessed lighting, and everything that we need. We have new fire dampers and ventilation there, and then the grand water closet with ventilation as well. So I think we've covered everything really we can think of, and in this scenario it'll be ciao for now. See you on the next.